Hello, my name is Prajakta Yadav. I am a student of Britsang Training Center. Today I am going to talk a technical topic about reporting ADRs in pharmacovigilance. So let's start with the topic. Adverse drug reactions are unwanted or harmful responses to a drug that occurs during normal therapeutic use. Monitoring and reporting ADRs is a crucial aspect of pharmacovigilance, which is the science and activities related to the detection, assessment, understanding, and prevention of adverse effects of pharmaceutical products. Effective ADR reporting helps ensure patient safety, enhances therapeutic outcomes, and allows for better risk management by healthcare professionals, regulators, and pharmaceutical industry. In this report, we will examine the importance of ADR reporting in pharmacovigilance, the mechanism and systems in place for reporting ADR, the roles of healthcare professionals, patients, and the pharmaceutical industry, and the challenges and regulatory frameworks that govern ADR reporting. The role of pharmacovigilance in drug safety. The pharmacovigilance aims to identify and evaluate the risk associated with medications, especially those that may not have been detected during pre-market clinical trials. Clinical trials generally focus on efficacy and are conducted with a relatively small and specific population, which means that a rare or long-term ADR may be not have been identified. Post-marketing surveillance, monitoring a drug after its release to the general population, is crucial for identifying these potential risks. The primary objective of pharmacovigilance in relation to ADR include detecting new ADRs that were not observed in clinical trials, assessing the frequency and severity of ADRs within the general population, identifying risk factors such as age, gender, comorbid conditions, or drug interactions associated with ADRs, implementing risk mitigation strategies, including label changes, warnings, or withdrawal of a drug from the market if necessary. ADR reporting systems. The reporting of ADRs plays a central role in pharmacovigilance. Various systems exist for the collection of ADR reports from healthcare professionals, patients, pharmaceutical companies, and other stakeholders. These reports are critical for detecting new safety concerns and enhancing the understanding of known risks. Spontaneous reporting systems. The most common system for ADR reporting is the spontaneous reporting system, where healthcare professionals, patients, and sometimes pharmaceutical companies voluntarily report suspected ADRs to national health authorities. These reports are often submitted to regulatory bodies like the US FDA, European Medicines Agency, that is EMA, or the WHO, World Health Organization. In the United States, the FDA Adverse Event Reporting System, that is FAERS, collects and analyzes ADR data submitted by healthcare providers, manufacturers, and consumers. In the European Union, the ADR vigilance system serves a similar function. These databases are valuable for identifying trends and potential safety signals in the use of medicinal products. Mandatory reporting by pharmaceutical companies. The pharmaceutical companies are legally obligated to report ADRs that are brought to their attention, whether through clinical trials, post marketing surveillance, or consumer complaints. Once an ADR is identified, companies must submit it to the relevant regulatory authorities in a timely manner. Patient reported ADRs. In recent years, there has been a push to encourage patients themselves to report ADRs, either directly or through healthcare providers. Patient reported ADRs are increasingly being recognized as a valuable source of information, particularly for detecting issues that healthcare professionals may overlook. Signal detection. Once ADRs are reported, they are reviewed for patterns or signals that may indicate a potential safety concern. These signals can be identified through statistical analysis of ADR reports, and they might prompt further investigation into the safety profile of a drug. Signal detection is a vital part of pharmacovigilance as it helps to prioritize which areas need to be addressed through additional studies, label updates, or regulatory actions. Roles and responsibilities of ADR reporting. Healthcare professionals. Healthcare providers, including doctors, nurses, pharmacists, and other medical personnel, are in a key position to identify and report ADR. They are often first to observe ADRs in patients and are ethically and legally bound to report them, as ADRs can have a serious implications for patient safety. Healthcare professionals should be familiar with reporting systems in a place in their country and be proactive in submitting ADR reports. Patients Patients themselves play an important role in pharmacovigilance. Although traditionally ADR reporting has been in the hands of healthcare providers, many regulatory bodies encourage patients to report adverse events directly. For instance, the FDA's MedWatch program allows patients to submit ADR reports online, which increases the volume of data available for safety monitoring. Pharmaceutical industries also can submit the ADR. Also, regulatory authorities also can submit the ADR. Today, we discussed about the ADR reporting. Thank you for listening.